Princesses, welcome to my channel. My name is BevB. Today I have a very special package, that was sent to me from TSL Dame. If you don't know TSL Dame, I'm going to leave the link to her channel down below. She does cooking, she does diamond painting, she does Diamond Painters Gotta Eat, right? So she sent me this box and I'm very excited to open it. This thing is huge. It doesn't fit in frame. And, excuse me, TSL, you spent $72 on shipping? That's freaking crazy. That's crazy to me. So let's get started. I'm very nervous because I'm very excited and I don't know what she sent me, this crazy lady. But if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. Just gently tap it, gently cut that subscribe button, cut it. So we're going to use my scissors because they're close by. I took off all the labels. It says fragile on here, this side up. So I'm hopefully everything is like, nothing's broken. Oh my goodness. You taped this really well, I can say that. So, okay, wait. Here, you guys take a peek. I'm not going to look. What is going on in here? I have no idea. So let's take a look. We have a card first. It says Bev. I licked here. Sorry. I licked there. Sorry. Ew. Ew. It has her germs on it. Gross. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. Look at the little black kitty baby. It's Halloween. Oh my goodness. I love it. I'm dying. Okay, let me read this over here. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. P.S. The brittles plus pumpkin butter I made myself. One for Crayon while he's away. Oh my goodness, he's gonna die. You deserve a little Halloween fun, and I'm not kidding. Scare up some fun. That's so cute. Thank you so much for the thoughtful card. And now I know what to expect inside the box, so let's check it out. So we have something here. I'm guessing this is peanut brittle or something else. We're gonna need our scissors for this unboxing. This is wrapped really nicely. I love the tin. I'm not a person who bakes. I've always wanted to be a person who bakes, but literally I would be so bad at it. So I don't bake. I would probably burn it. More tape. Girl. Girl. Taped it really good. Okay. Let's open this up. Is it still taped? No. Oh my goodness. Oops. I don't want to spill it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Lid brittle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry. This is so good. Okay. Okay. Clayton is in here, so I might just have to eat that all by myself. Can't believe you made that. It tastes like it's like from the store. It's so good. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh my goodness, we have a hat. That's so cute. It comes with a face shield. Let's look at it. I actually do wear baseball caps. I wear them backwards though, so I don't know if I'll use the face shield, but that's pretty awesome. Let's put that in there. Cool. No, I love this. This is awesome. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm wearing this on my live. Today's Monday. If you guys didn't know, I go live tomorrow. I'm totally wearing this on my live tomorrow. Thank you so much. It's another, like, you guys will be like, ooh, Bev B, get it? B, it's a B. I'm going to be a B. Thank you. That's so cute. Holy crap. There's so much stuff in here. What is this? Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. Oh my god. 2-pack boba milk tea, 1-pack tapioca pearls, a glass stainless steel wide mouth straw. Oh my god. Make your own authentic bubble tea. You guys. Oh my god. I know what I'm doing tonight. I was just telling Clayton earlier, I texted him and I was like, I really want bubble tea. This is amazing. Seriously. And the cup is so cute. We have to look at the cup or the glass. Where did you find this? Okay, so here's our tapioca. Yummy. I will eat those. Yes. I've always wanted a thick straw for bubble tea. That's amazing. Oh, it's so cute. It's so adorable. Look at her face. And then here's the bubble tea mix. Oh my goodness. This is such a great gift. Thank you so much. I mean, it just shows how much attention you pay to me. Thank you. Thank you for paying attention to things that I like. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to make bubble tea later. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you. Okay. Let me make some room on over here. What else do we have? We have some chocolate spoons. Stirring spoons. Yes, I'm going to use this when I make coffee in the morning. I love chocolate spoons. I've actually never used a chocolate or owned a chocolate spoon or bought chocolate spoons, I guess I should say. I've only had them like in the office and stuff like that. So that's cool. I have my own chocolate spoons. I'm going to eat those. Graham crackers. Interesting. Okay. I like graham crackers. Is there more to this? I don't know. Honey graham crackers. I like graham crackers though. And then, ooh! So this must be, what was it? She said in her card, pumpkin butter. The Brittles plus pumpkin butter. Maybe that's not it. This is peanuts. Roasted peanuts. This looks really good. Okay, let's open them. I'm going to eat them. Sorry, this video is going to be long, guys. I'll try and edit it so it's shorter. Oh my god. I'm so glad I'm not allergic to anything. Ugh. How dare you send me food when it's just me? I'm going to eat all of this by myself. Oh my god. We have wings. Bee wings. I'm totally going to wear these tomorrow too with the headband. So now I have a total set. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Okay. Then we have some stickers. Oh, that's so adorable. I love it. Those are so cute. More bee stickers. And then we have cat stickers. Oh, I love you. Now feed me. Oh my god. This is so adorable. Thank you so much. Seriously, I love stickers too. So these are like hilarious. I don't fetch. Stop asking. Love it. Thank you. We have a variety of candy. Milk Duds. Almond Joy. A little Kit Kat. Almond Joy, Reese. I'm going to eat these tonight. Don't tell anyone. I'm going to eat my Whoppers. I can't remember the last time I had Whoppers. I'm going to make bubble tea, eat that, and eat the baked goodies you sent me. Okay, let's move these aside. Thank you very much for the chocolate. Matching! Hello! These are so soft. I'm going to rub them against my face. Oh, yeah. These are soft. Thank you so much. I have gross feet. Literally. And so these are really cute. These are amazing. Thank you so much. And these will keep my feet warm, and they'll also keep them so they don't feet. They're not gross. How did you know? Did we talk about this? Did we talk about this? Did I talk about this? That my feet are gross? Thank you so much. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. I feel like Clayton will be so happy you got this for me because my feet are so gross and they scratch him. Literally, they scratch him. Thank you. That's hilarious. Okay. Then we have a wine voucher. I don't drink wine, but I will give this to Clayton's mom because she loves wine. Thank you. What the heck? Then we have another wine voucher. What's Chewy? I don't think we have Chewy in Canada. Pet food. I'm going to check this out. Then we have some HelloFresh referral cards. Thank you. We do HelloFresh. Then we have this box. Let's see what's in. Oh my goodness. Look at the baby bat. Oh. How did you know I have Beanie Boos? How did you know? How did you know? I feel like they're never in my videos, but I went through a phase where I collected Beanie Boos. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. He's so adorable. Look at his fangs. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I love him. I love him. Okay, sorry. Continuing on. Oh my god! Breakfast pack. 10 flavored lip balms. I'm also obsessed with lip balm. You should know this if you watch my channel. Maybe you know this. Maybe you don't know this. Oh my goodness. Clayton, I feel like Clayton might steal some of these from me. So we won't tell him that I got these, okay? Okay. And then there's an envelope. Oop, I don't want to show your address. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Aw, Catminder. A gift for you to enjoy. Look at the baby. Look at this baby kitty. Thank you so much. Caffeinated cat crafts. What's he doing? He's so cute. Thank you so much. Here's the shop. Thank you. He is adorable. I love him. He'll go with my cover minders. And then, okay, I understand now. This must be the pumpkin butter that I put on the honey grams. Is that correct? Look how nice she wrapped it. She even decorated the jar. Oh my god. I can see it. I'm gonna die. Okay, I'm not gonna open this now because I don't want to make a mess on my desk because I have to diamond paint at my desk. But I am gonna try this with the honey graham crackers you sent me. Maybe I'll give Clayton one of them. Maybe. Yeah, I will. Fine. I'll give Clayton one of these pumpkin butters. Maybe. But thank you so much for thinking of him as well. Oh my goodness. TSL Dame, you're like, if you guys don't know TSL Dame, make sure you go check out her YouTube channel. I'll also link her Instagram down below. These were very, very, very thoughtful gifts, and I love the homemade touch. Thank you so much. Like, honestly, I feel really spoiled. I have the best subscribers and the best friends, diamond painting friends in the world. You guys, like, this is a really great community, and I can't thank you guys enough for being here, watching my videos, sending me gifts. Like, definitely gifts are not expected, like, they're not mandatory or anything like that, but I love that you guys think of me, and these gifts were really thoughtful. So, oh my goodness, I need to fan myself. Let me fan myself. Fanning myself. Thank you so much, TSL. This means so much to me, and thank you for always supporting my channel, coming to lives, commenting, etc., etc. Make sure you guys check out TSL Dame's Instagram and her YouTube down below. And again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!